Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest reviews and recommendations on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of maternity fashion with the best Vestidos para Embarazadas Sesion de Fotos available. The maternity gown bishop sleeves baby shower dress wrap side slit sweetheart maxi, and trust me, it's a stunner. This dress isn't just your average maternity wear. It's a blend of style, comfort, and elegance, perfect for any expecting mom's photo shoot or special occasion. Crafted from 95% rayon and 5% spandex, this dress offers the perfect combination of stretchiness and breathability, ensuring maximum comfort for mom and baby. With its long bishop sleeves and sweetheart neckline, this gown exudes sophistication and grace. Plus, the A-line skirt with a high wrap side slit adds a touch of allure, making it ideal for capturing those precious maternity moments. Whether it's a maternity photo shoot, baby shower, or any special occasion, this dress is a versatile choice that transitions effortlessly from maternity to non-maternity wear. And here's the best part. It's available in a range of sizes to suit every mom-to-be, from small to 2XL. Just remember to order your standard size focusing on the bust size, and if you're not pregnant, size down for the perfect fit. So, if you're looking for the ultimate maternity gown that combines style, comfort, and versatility, look no further than the maternity gown bishop sleeves baby shower dress wrap side slit sweetheart maxi. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!